Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says calculate the molality of 1 liter solution of 93% H2SO4 weight volume by volume. ठीक है? And the density of the solution is given 1.84 gram per ml. So let's solve the question. It is 93% of H2SO4 and it is given weight by volume. Percentage is given weight by volume. That means 93 gram of H2SO4 is present in 100 ml of the solution. है ना? 100 ml of the solution में present है. And the solution किसके साथ है? It is with water. है ना? So we need to calculate the molality. बच्चों मोलैलिटी कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? वी नीड द गिवन वेट ऑफ H2SO4 डिवाइडेड बाय मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ H2SO4 इनटू 1000 डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. हमें क्या चाहिए? मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन ग्राम. ठीक है. सो मोलैलिटी कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें ये सब चाहिए. वेट दैट इज गिवन 93 ग्राम. Molecular mass of H2SO4 we can calculate. Mass of the solvent we need to calculate because the volume of the solution is given. And ये हम किससे calculate कर सकते हैं? Density से. So एक एक करके calculate करते हैं. बच्चों ये जो density दिया हुआ है, it is the density of solution. So density of solution कितना दिया हुआ है? Density is equal to mass divided by volume होता है ना? So mass कितना हो जाएगा? It is density into volume. ठीक है. Density कितना दिया हुआ है? 1.84 into 100. So this will become 184 gram. This is the mass of what? This is the mass of the solution. Mass of the solution. But हमें क्या चाहिए? Mass of solvent चाहिए. तो mass of solvent कैसे निकलेगा बच्चों? Mass of the solution है ना? Mass of the solution minus solute. Solute क्या कितना है यहाँ पे? 93 ग्राम of solute है. तो इसमें से अगर हम 93 माइनस करेंगे it will give us the mass of the solvent and this value is 91 gram. So 91 gram is the mass of the solvent. Okay, ये find out हो गया. Now what is the molecular mass of H2SO4? H2SO4 का molecular mass कितना हो जाएगा? H2SO4 का it is 2 into 1 plus 32 plus 4 into 16. It will give you 98 gram. So 98 gram is the molecular mass of H2SO4 and mass of the solvent is 91 gram. So we calculate the molality. Molality कितना हो जाएगा बच्चों? Let's put the value. The given weight is 93 gram divided by number of molecular mass is 98 into 1000 divided by mass of the solvent is 91 gram. So if we calculate, this value is 10.42 molar. So the molality of the solution is 10.42. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.